Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Sorry about the show this morning. It's a little loud and everything in here with the outside noise, so we're gonna do it right now. Head on over to the Mojo room. Show you what's going on with the incredible day again, man. Peace. What's going on? Thanks for spending lunch with me. Hope you have a sandwich or some tacos, something, making it nice. Head on over to the main screen, show you what's going on. Let me pick a good intro right here. How about Mojo University? You should definitely consider that after the end of the show and become a millionaire trader. I'll show you a couple millionaires and how they read the level 2 and what they do. Check it out. Here's a good one. Nice. So let me show you what's happening right here. Let me just text this person a link to my show right now. Copy link. No, that didn't work. Yeah. So, share the link. So today was a great day in the MOJO Day Trade room. I want to thank everybody who was in there today with my poochie right there. He's always the good luck charm. His name's Bobo. And we'll show you what we did and how we made money in the room today. It's quite amazing. You're going to learn how to read the level 2 and trade off called the montage. Shows you the bids and the asks and all that great information. Let me show you right here a little bit more of even a better definition of what the level 2 is. I wrote it in my email. Right here, level 2 can provide some enormous insight into a stock's price action. That one. We got this paragraph. We're actually going to do some nice learning right here. And thank you for joining me at lunchtime. And level 2 can provide some enormous, as it says there, price stock action. Insight into the stock action. It can tell you what type of traders are buying or selling a stock, where the stock is likely to head in the near term, and much more. Today I'm going to explain what the level 2 is and how it works and how it can help you better understand how to trade a given stock a lot better. Level 2 is essentially the order book for the NASDAQ. All the stocks. When orders are placed, they're placed through many different market makers and other market participants. Level 2 will show you a ranked list of the best bid and ask prices from each of these participants, giving you a detailed insight into the price action. Knowing exactly who has an interest in a stock can be extremely useful, especially if you're day trading. Check it out. So right here you see the yellow and it's blinking back and forth. This is CVS, the pharmacy, the big company. It's 61.21 on the bid. And you see the size there, 4, 1, 3. It's constantly changing. That means 300 shares, 500 shares. If it goes to a 40, that would mean 4,000 shares. 400 or 300 would mean 40,000 shares. And that's how you read the depth in the level 2. And this left side right here where my mouse is called the bid. These are NSDQ. You see the MMID. It's called the market maker ID. These are the NYSE. That's the New York Stock Exchange. PHLX. You see that flashing is the Philadelphia Stock Exchange. And then you have other stock exchange. IEX, I think, is Instinet. NASDAQ, NSDQ is the NASDAQ market. The BYX, I think, is the Boston Stock Exchange and the Philly Stock Exchange. And then you have what's called ECNs, Electronic Communication Networks. These would be individual traders that are trading back and forth on these, what's called a route, ARCA, ARCA, NSDQ. And they're able, EDGX, and they're able to select what market maker they want to put out one order on and or multiple orders on. And that's how you do the level 2. It took me 3 years to learn how to trade off that level 2. 3 years. So if I could save you millions of dollars and a lot of aggravation and time, you see the large asks at 61.25, that's bullish. It's going to go through and go higher because there's a large supply of stock there. There's a lot of sellers. The right side is the ask, where people want to sell. So the larger the ask, the higher it goes. And especially since the people are at 624, which I call a penny pincher, this is something you learn in the Mojo University courses. Why would they be wanting to pay $6.24 if they could just pay lower and get it cheaper? Because it was at 60.06, because it's going higher. Just as it went higher through the 61.25, you just saw it. It's 61.26 by 27 right now going into, there's another signal right there at 28, a large ask of 6,200 shares. Going to go through that one right now. And that's how you read the level 2, knowing which way the stock's headed from the amount of shares that are being on the bid or the ask, and knowing which direction and where the supply is. And it took me a long time to realize that, hey, that big number of shares on the bid or on the ask is going to skew my thinking. So at 61.28, I wouldn't want to buy this, and I would be wrong, just like I was wrong at 25. So you want to buy here in anticipation of going through the larger number and then selling through the larger number. It took me years and years and years to grab the kahunas and say, you know what, I'm going to buy right here at 61.27 and believe in the signal. And I'm going to sell it through the 30s, just like I said when it was at 25. And that's how you read the level 2 and make decisions on whether you want to buy or sell or short sell a particular trade. And I'll show you in the room exactly like that. And we'll come back to it. It'll probably be 61.30 and change. So let's head over to the room. And I'll show you exactly the level 2 and how we read this and how it helped all the traders trading from making great money and helped the traders from losing as well. And you could see there's a penny pincher now. It's going to go through the 28. See it? There's 27. Here's your 28. So we'll come back to that. Let me show you what's happening right here and how we did it on the stock this morning. And here's some of the swing picks that I had from this weekend right here. This was Industrial Services of America. I wanted to show you this morning was from 2017. I had this one, and again in 2016. had this one. This was one that was in play this morning. And DPW traded that one many times in the swing newsletter. All right, here we go. I'm just looking at signals in the level 2 in the pre-market. This one's going to go test 130 WKH. The signal was WKHS was the signal, called workhorse. It was no volume though. And then there was another one, JAGX, in the pre-market. We were looking at that one also to go up higher from 122 to go test 130. It went to, I don't even know, we didn't trade it. But here's the DPW for the Heinz. So here's the trade. And I spell it out exactly how you need to do it. Exactly. Follow the directions and you make money. I did that with PSTV yesterday, SINT the day before, MTC the day before, and Arcadia, RKDA the day before. And look, SINT, two of them are on the losers list. Look, SINT and PSTV on the losers list. So check it out. You've got 1049 by 50. Right here. That's not the trade. 2 minutes to the open. This is PCG. So PCG, this one's going to go $8 if it heads higher on the open. We're going to nail it through $8. If it doesn't head higher through the 90, we're going to wait and then let it drop and catch it back up to go through $8. We're going to sell it through 8 on a big spike and then retrade it back off stopping station. That is exactly the trade play. And I was doing YouTube at the time, so I was not on the screen share. Take a look over to my YouTube if you don't mind real quick. And then let it drop. There we go. What's going on, tubers? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Chat and say hello. Be nice. Thank you. Let's head right back over to the chat room. So check out the pick on PCG. It's going to go through 1050, which I call mini Heinz. It's the mini number. 707 stopping station entry on DPW now. Go ahead. 707 to 12 while I do this right here. Check it out. Just drop. There it goes right off this bar right here. See it? 707 to 12. Mojo, nail it. I'll show you right here off the top chart. Right here, 707. See how it stopped right on stopping station, Mojo. It's 730 now. Edgex coming in with 20,000 large on the bid, taking it up. It's real. They're gonna want to fill them because it's real. It's not a no intention to buy bid. It's a real bid. He's gonna get filled at 730. So let's head back over. Excuse me. And here we go. So it went 1050 into 1069. We sold there, rebought it back at 1032 from the 69. And it's 930.34. It pops back up to 1070. And we're buying right now DPW. Right there. 3/4 selling into $8. Go flat through $8 at $8.25. And then right here, you got 816 by 25, 858 by 66. It is exactly like PSTV, Arcadia, MTC, and SINT. $9.20. Amazing in a day. It's going bananas. I told you it was going to dip and then it was going to rip. So we're in on the dip, and now it's going to rip. 910 by 29, 972, starts selling. DPW 740 by 50 now from the last trade. Look, take a look. 740 by 50. Take a look. Moving, good job at 3240. PCG's moving, and here we go. It goes 972 through 10 to 1050. Bang. Wow. 1035. Friday and today, the Mojo effing rocks. PCG as well. Here it goes, 1107 by 8. Sell half through here, 1115. It went from 1050 to 1150. An amazing move right there. And the money that was made, Ramey made 709. Get my chinger. Pro Trader Alpha made 2,350. Mike D, 230. Allen, 910. Ramey, 475. Mar, 819. In 10 minutes, $5,493 in profits on DPW. Easy peasy lemon squeezy money on the ATM with DPW, baby. Bang. That's how we do it in the Mojo Room every day. Did it on PSTV, Sint, MTC, Arcadia, OPTT, BPTH, and 50 other ones, folks, all throughout the last couple of weeks. And if you have been in a day trade room where they're going and they're stopping and they're done, you're done. If you don't catch the good trade and it was too thin, or you didn't get a good entry, it moved too fast, which a lot of them do right on the open, it's easy to get burned, and we're catching your loss and someone's gain. Is how one trader makes money and one trader loses money on the same trade. I'll show you. So PST is selling off. I'm not even interested, but here we go. 927 by 32 on stopping station, which I teach you in Mojo University. On DPW, we're going to nail that, and we're jumping in. And here, 951 by 66, sell it. Sell it right there, up into the ask. 940, he's coming up into it, getting filled. 950, 68. PCG's 1058. We nailed it at 51. Sweet. Selling PCG at 75. Just made you another 25-cent move right there. Coaching you. Oh, they love it too. Coaching you right there, telling you exactly when to buy, exactly when to sell. Sold PCG at 1076. Selling DPW right here at 959 from 873. Here it goes, 877 by 2. It dropped from 959. We're in at 880 right here on the bid, trying to get filled. Doing PCG again as well at 1047. Selling half at 1067. Telling everyone exactly when to buy it, exactly when to sell it for a great 20 minutes. Great Monday. Allen's at $1,532 now. And these stocks, just amazing. DPW 740 by 44 just went over 50. Great job. Ramey made $839 in 20 minutes. Have to get back in a bit. Now I'm going to show you the level 2, how it comes up with Trader Derby, how he saves himself by listening to the Mojo and reading the level 2. So let's take PCG again here off the bottom. Very strong. Support right there off 1036. How's your day? Pretty good. So we're in right here, and you could see PCG is auto closing traders from the initial 1156 run. It's now here at 1012 stopper, which I call stopping station. So it's right here at the buy. There's a guy right here who wants to buy 50,000 shares at 991. What is he? This is what I teach in level 6 in Mojo University courses. He's called a NITBB, a no intention to buy bid. He's not real. He's not real. He's not going to get filled. It's going to go higher. There's no intention for him to buy and get filled on those shares. He's too far under. So if I sold 2,000 or 3,000 shares into that 1011 as a market order, he still wouldn't get filled. But if he was at 1010, he would get filled. That's the difference of being real or fake. And right here on the bid, he's got no intention. It's going higher. Probably going to go to this number right here at 1034, which is the 150, and go through that. So let's see what happens. There's a huge 500 there. It's an NITBB. It's going back up. There it goes. 1022 by 23. 1029 by 31. Going to go test that 34 that was right there. And that's where we're selling, right there at the 34. Because I'm reading the level too. I'm seeing exactly what's going on. Exactly how it's done. Took years and years and years. Great timing. Absolutely. Electrified, welcome to the room. You click right here, and he's joined. He's listening. I'm unmuted myself. You guys should be watching me on the YouTube. Giving me a little thumbs up, a little like on the video. Showing you exactly what to do, how to do it. Pro Trader Mike from the MOJ. And just as Alan says, buy when Mike buys and sell when Mike sells. Right there, that's what you do. And you'll be like a rocket ship right there. You'll be the key. It's the key. So DPW is dropping to test 851, going ahead to stopping station 827 to 32. What's a stopping station? Let's say you buy it at 70 because it's dropping now. It's at 50. How much stop loss would you put in? 40 cents? Risk? There you go. That's a stopping station. When your shares come in on the train, on the station, and stop you out, I'll come in and punch your ticket. Click, click. Entry. I'll tap it. Goes higher. I'll add. Jump on the train. I'll ride you. Here we go. 864. Wait, it's going higher. And this was the trade right here. PCG auto closing traders from 1151 at 1112 by here. Here it is at 44 by 45. So PCG with that big number at 991, is that a short signal? No. It's a no intention to buy bid. That's what it is. There's no signals right now in the level 2. Everything's even. There's no big number that stands out, no direction telling me which way it's going to go. And all of a sudden, bam, that happens. Where is the biggest numbers? Right here on the ask. The ask is bullish. You want to buy right here to go through and go higher, that one and that one. And if you did and didn't hesitate at 1005, and he didn't know what the NITBB was because he didn't he's only in lesson 5 of MOJO. It's in lesson 6 of MOJO University. Want to check out lesson 6? Online course. So here's class 6. This is what class 6 looks like. This is MOJO University. Right here, teaching it. Listen. Oh, this is some good stuff. Pro traders that are here, oh, you're in for a treat. And the one trader, 2 traders, fun trade, and Elise, you're really in for a treat. Let's get the party started. Fast forward.
I've never seen it to help. And then it's at 791.
Look at that big ass.
90. They're desperately needing it. I call these guys penny
pinchers. You heard me say that.
Them all the time. And they're there for a little amount of shares. This is probably just one person who hit the button once and is testing. So say to yourself this. Look at the scenario. Bid 791, ask 792 with 135,000 shares on the ask and 200 shares on the bid.
Dude, there's 200 shares on the bid, 135,000 on the ask. It traded 14 million. No one in their right mind would ever buy this right now. Took me years to know that. And this is what you do. You buy it. It's huge.
Buyer, seller. Say to yourself, dude, it just came from 725. It's at 791. When it was at 750, it struggled. It was going up and down and up and down. Now it's at 91. The same guys are there. You're watching it. You're seeing it. Why would you be at 91? Why not go to 90 or 89? You're 1 penny below that huge number. I call it a penny pincher. And when the guys do that, that means they desperately need stock. And if they start buying the ask, it's going. I look where the signal is, what side it's on, and what the volume is. 793 by 796. So everyone write this down. I'm only going to say it once.
Told you.
At 790, you buy entry, 1,000 shares. At 95, there'll be an LA.
What the hell is an LA? You need to take Mojo University class level 6 and finish that course. It's free, folks. It normally is $1,497, and it has been for the last 7 years. But today I'm offering it for free just to join me and become a member of the chat room so I can coach and mentor you and guide you along and help you all out. That's what I want to do. So if you get the course for free and know what all the lingo is with the stopping stations and the Hines and the Cupid top and the 0409 touchy 11 and the wow and the bounty and the Skittles, I mean, you'll be like a hero of trading, be able to focus specifically on one area and grow. Yeah, you're going to have losing trades, but you're probably not going to have a lot of losing days, just like Alan and the rest of the traders in the MOJO Day Trading room. That's what it is. No intention to buy bid. Lesson 5, that was Mojo U. So you become a member of there's a link below in the description. Click it, become a member. It's a day trading special. It's been $14.97. My live class has been $19.97, $2,000 since 2012. A lot of people charge a lot more, and good for them. But listen, you're going to get a course maybe from somebody and pay thousands of dollars. It's great content and information, but what happens, if something happens, things happen with trading. You blow up, something happens, you make a key error, you add by mistake to a loser, this and that turns, and you get destroyed, and you need a second chance. You spent thousands of dollars on the education. You want that money back because you need that to refill the account to give yourself a second chance. Well, I'll give you the education for free. You got your second chance right there if you ever need it. And then you come to the Mojo Day Trade Room, simple little monthly subscription, you hang out with the team. Look, there's hundreds of traders in the room right here. A total of 523 traders offline and another 100 that are in here or so. So that's how it works. Come join the team, get the picks. Arcadia, MTC, Sint, thousands and thousands of other ones. They never stop coming. Never stop coming. So right here, we're going 898. Bam, right through there. You never would have bought that 898 and 9. You never would have. Never, ever, 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 ever. I poll 1,000 traders. Would you do that? They would say, I'll short it. Okay, short it. Go ahead. There you go. Start covering. Not yet. Now you're going to cover. 909, take me out. 914, take out the Mojo traders. 919, take out the Mojo traders. How did I know that? I'm selling a penny below 10 a penny below 15, and a penny below 20. I'll sell a penny below 30, a penny below 40, and a penny below 60, 70, 80, 90, right into the next dollar, right up higher. DPW, 10 for 10 trades, banking trades with the best team. Alpha made $4,175.12 for the day trading just DPW. And if you look at the pin right here, each morning there is one stock when the market opens that's super strong with volume, trends higher. We stick to that with the Heinz pricing and the wow effect, and we should be good for many, many years to come. Alpha took Mojo University 4 or 5 times. He's been with me for 4 or 5 years. That's the difference. That's what we do here. So subscribe to my channel. You see next to my little fingers over here, there's a little subscribe button. See the shark swimming around? When he swims by, just click subscribe or give me a thumbs up if you're already subscribed, or comment in the chat and let me know what's going on and how you're doing here at lunchtime. And let's see the shark. So let's not get eaten by the shark, folks. Let me show you how I saved Derby. Okay. So right here, it's 920 by 22, moving beautiful. And right here, he says, I like this stock, Uber. So I say, okay, let me throw up Uber. Look, Uber's got a 50 on the bid. It's not an NITBB. He's not way down here at 34.80 where there is a guy who can't get hit for 48. These are all good for 100 shares. Imagine being short 5,000 and you had to buy it back right here. You'd get filled all the way up to 36 on a market order. You're toast. You're toast. And he's driving up 50 trying to scare the pants off you saying, look, there's a big buyer. DPW's head into 650, guys. Do a trade right here under 650. You could probably just at 750. Yeah. Okay. So right here's a large bid. You don't want to buy that right now. You want to wait. So when it dips, he gets filled, you get filled down here, and then it runs back up. You're like, oh man, FOMO. FOMO. You know what that is? You see that all over. You see that all over. It's called let me do it here. It's called FOMO. FOMO. And here you're like, woo, Jesus, I lost. Man, look, oh my gosh, now it's going back up. I better buy. Well, that's the fear of missing out coming in right here. You don't want to miss out on it again, so you're going to buy it. And you're going to take me out at 35.07 plus back on the upside where you would have bought it right here, and then you got stopped out. Watch. So it goes 35.05 by 4. 1 second later, boom, 35.02 by 4. 34.98, 34.95. You see how it's beauty level 2 reading? See that Derby? He liked it up there. You don't like it because it's a big bid. Instantly seen. Largest number, boom, right there in the level 2. And then beauty level 2 reading, you must become an expert reading the level 2 to make big money. You absolutely have to. And then look at it, goes right down here to underneath the large number of 34.88, goes all the way down 34.82, and right there at stopping station, which was 20 or 30 cents off this 35.06 at 10. This is where you get stopped at. You put an automatic stop in the system. They see it, they come down. Now you buy. We take it 34.82 by 84. Then it goes ALA back up right here, 34.89. We're going to take DPW here off stopping station because people bought it over 9. These are their stop losses at 877 to 82. We're going to take that. And there you go, 34.90 by 92, right back through 35 Hines, and right back here with a big number at 35.10. I told you it was going to go right back. Now you're selling. He's going to get fear, and he's going to chase it up, and you're going to sell right into him. The biggest thing I've learned so far is to read the level 2 than a chart. In here, we don't know what charts are. What's a chart? That's very funny. You better believe it. So this guy came in the room and put out a small little stock, but it only traded 116,000 shares, and it's a penny stock, so it's a piece of crap, and somebody's probably stuck in it. So there you go. Feels good to be done for the day in less than an hour. It sure does. And then Pro Trader Mar just advanced to level 2 and got some more points. And somebody's feeling the burn on DPW. And here's an old level 2 I had on Varingo. Remember that one, folks? Varingo. Oh, Pro Trader Cash. New member, just taking Mojo University right now. Signed up for the day trading room and the swing trade newsletter. Has both courses, is almost part through the day trading course. Let's see what she has to say. Didn't trade because not through all the lessons, and I haven't done the 20-day challenge. Better believe it. We need to get you set up with that Pro Trader Cash. But I followed you on level 2 today, and thank you for the awesome teachings. Well, thank you. It's been a pleasure. Emgen, let's take a look. Foffle that one at 154. It went way down. That was a good foffle at 135. Foffle means fold. Don't want to do it. And now we're in the Mojo show. So we buy Mojo at stopping station to go back through Hines at 697. And I tell you to sell it at 744. 50-cent move. He's like, should we get it? I'm like, dude, we already Hines'd it. It's 755. It's 760. Now it's 785 going into 8. It made a $1 move right there. It's 814. Boom. Sell it right there at 815, telling everyone exactly when to buy it. Right here at 697, selling 744, 55, 60, getting it back through $8 Hines on the $1 move, and boom, sell it right there. And that's what the level 2 can provide. IMND going nuts. Great IPO. Nice. Thank you, Stock Wiz. Let's see what my swing picks have done. Express at 275. EXPR. Oh, that's Blink. BLNK is 278. BLNK. 278. Next one is Express at 197. EXPR is 202. Went to 207 at Hines. These are my swing picks from the video last night. TK Tankers, TNK at $1.04. TNK high right now is $1.12. It's at $1.10 right now. TNK. My swing pick from last night, right there, $1.10 by $1.11, been to the $1.12. Next one on the list from last night, Y10 Biosciences, YTEN at 92 cents. 92 cents for the swing trade newsletter on Y10. YTEN is 95 cents. Already was at $1.05 today. Or it was already up bigger this morning. Very nice. So people maybe bought in this morning. It hasn't even made its run. Let it go. Hold. Ain't going. Ain't just hasn't even started yet. Copen at $1.03. And VTGN at 51. Copen and VTGN. Copen at $1.03 is $1.06 by 7. Looking good with a signal at $1.08. See it? And VTGN is 55 by 57 with a signal at 57 right there and a signal at 58. That one's going higher too. Read the level 2. It's telling you it's going higher. You never would think that. It took years, and millions of dollars to figure that out. That's how it works. So your trading is going to get a lot better. Here's Frontier Communications, FTR, pick at 78 cents. Right here, FTR was the swing pick in the newsletter at 78 cents. And if you saw my show on Sunday night, here is the 3 picks that I picked out of all those. My hot 3, number 1, and here's my comic because you got to admire their honesty, is Google. This is the Swing Trade newsletter from 8/18, 3 picks. 8/18, you buy the stock here, you're going to lose your shirt. They're honest at least, right? So the first pick in the newsletter is FTR at 78 cents. The next one is Copen at $1.03, and then Blink at $2.75. This was the newsletter. I did the research with everyone on Sunday. I want to show everyone what it is, so you know how easy it is to get involved and how great the picks are. Let's go back to some of the research. That was Frontier. That was one of the 3. And then NVAX at 784. Something was going on with this NVAX. Something. It's a bigger stock, but I don't like the bigger ones. And Perion was from 716 1 month ago. Perion right now is $6.22 from 4. You could see Perion right here. I picked it right here at $4 Heinz. Made its first little move. It's staying above the line. It's in a rail grind. Here's the pick on Perion. Stop loss of 25 cents. Reward of $1, 4 to 1. I picked it at 4. It's $6.23, and that was 1 month ago. DPW is rocking back, folks. So if you got DPW on that stopping station, it's going back through 7. Let me know how good you're doing right there. Thank you, PD. Let me know how good the show is. Give me a thumbs up and let me know. Of course, someone's got to give me the thumbs down. The person who gave me the thumbs down, really think how you're really making that much money trading. Maybe if you wasn't so defensive and negative and bashful and hiding and bashing people like me, maybe things would change around. And let me help you and do good for yourself. You turn a disgruntle into a gruntle, into something good, man. All you need is a couple of these. DRRX. Last price 95 cents on Monday, July 22nd of this year. It's a month ago. DRRX right now is $1.35. Look, it's $1.35. Here's the chart on DRRX. The daily. Amazing. I picked it right here on this first little jumper. Continues. Here's the next one. That was in the list. IFMK on 7/16 at $1.45, looking for it to go test 2. IFMK. Could you imagine if you someone gave you a newsletter like this and sent this beautiful chart out to you with the details, where to stop out, where it's going, how many funds, floats, the whole thing on it? You'd be like, wow, this is amazing. And it worked. Amazing. Look, it's at $2.30. It went to $3 already. And I gave it to you at $1.55, 100% winner in a month. It's August 19th. This is July 16th. And these are the 3 newsletters for those right there. Here's the comic strip from the 11th. Follow the best, and if you come close to their performance, you're going to do pretty well. stock market, subscribe to the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter in the day trading chat room. Best stock picker and timer in the business. So you know what what's his name says. Let's see if I can find that. No, I don't have that one. Tony Robbins, what he says. I may have a picture of it right here. Yep. There you go. Right there. If you want to be successful, find someone who's achieved the results you want and copy what they do, and you'll achieve the same results. Look, there's hundreds of them in here. Alan, Alpha, Mar, Bohan, Brad. New to the room, welcome, Brad. Brandon, Carl, Carol, Cash, Derby, Dontavius, Ham, Kent, all these traders, all day long, every single day. That's what they do. They've all taken Mojo University 5 times. So I showed you how to read the level 2 today, folks. Hope you've enjoyed it. Got some great information. Subscribe to my videos so you know when I go live. You'll get an email in your inbox. And don't get eaten by the shark. Just make it happen for yourself. You get rewarded for copying. Yep. See if I have this. Oh, video's unavailable for that one. That's impact theory. Impact theory with that one guy watched all the time. All right, guys, thank you for watching the show today. Thanks for learning how to read the level 2. The offer is below in the description for the day trading. Click show more. You'll see the become a member of the chat room. Get the world famous Mojo University online course for $14.97. Yours for free. Posted in the chat for you. And love to see you aboard while the offer is being available. Peace. Keep it profitable. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later. Pick a good one here. How about this one?